harvest.
Right. Camera going. Ah, yeah. On YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Say when.
Yeah, you're so pleased.
Nice one, mate. Well fine.
Oh, my feet are in all the wrong bloody position. Come on! Fuck's sake!
Yeah.
That was
It
close.
really helped to use that as a kind of layback at some point.
Oh.
Yeah. Well,
Oh. Come on.
now sort of stitch that bit into it.
Yeah, but in fact, just before the first revolt,
Yeah.
first place you didn't like that.
Well, I was a bit worried because I didn't really trust my gear that well. I didn't have anything bomber, you
Your
know.
first one was a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like,
not the second one. The third one was alright.
yeah.
Second
What,
one
the
was.
one that was sideways?
That was the second one.
Oh, right.
The third one was a bit smaller and a wee
Yeah.
gap just below.
Yeah, the only thing that worried me about that was, I think it would take us straight down, but if it had pulled out,
It wasn't straight for the reality.
yeah.
Tell you what though, if ever I can get strong enough to lead that, that'd be cool. You did it very differently. Very, very differently.
Things like bridging it. Were you bridging it?
No, I didn't even, I bridged at the bottom bit and then I got really, I like lay back on it towards the left, like thumb on the left wall to start with,
Yeah.
and then managed to get a really high foot and eventually just you kind of bridged it out onto the face, eh?
Yeah, I was facing, like, had my legs really wide, and then I found a couple of handholds out left and one out right. I was almost tempted to put wires in those, but I knew I hadn't got twin ropes, you know. But this bit's really nice fun.
Nice.
Bit of a crazy accent all sitting down, isn't it?
Well, I made that feel a bit more difficult than it should have been.
Okay.
Definitely should have put my other shoes on.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. I was about to go, hey, you, I want to tell you about.
But you were saying skatey feet.
And then I was like,
huge feet. Nice one. Six there. Go.
We'll do it in one and take a look.
Oh, what was that? Shake it up, it's this one. Hey. Cool.
Right, nice one.
Thank you. Sorry for milling around. You want me to just jump back up or stick the other rope in?
Hopefully strong for that.
Must be trying to that corner when I'm doing that move that way. And it's just when I fall back at sometimes I try to go forward. Okay,